What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We're doing the random for the Leafs for Spagoo. Thanks for the quick fill. We'll go live. We're live at 12:24. 12:24 here in Denver. We got the list. Erica on top, David on the bottom. We're going to go 3 times. Good luck, guys. 1, 2. Oh, Mr. Dirk. What am I doing here? Gotta get the timestamp. Durkin's on top after 2. Bang. 12:25. 12:25. Third and final time, guys. Good luck. Durkin with the 1 spot. Your hot streak continues, guy. Couple breaks in a row now. Congrats, dude. I thought you were doomed. 12:25. 12:25. Again, guys. 3 times. Durkin on top. Spot 7.